Yes, my name is Musa Adam, Regional Chairman, COPS. In fact, it is a joy attending Global Life Changes workshop that have just been closed or has come to an end. It is actually a life-changing program.
Hi, my name is Eunice and I'm from Vitin Secondary. I took part in a training program organized by Foundation for Global Life Changes, and it was actually a very amazing one. I have learned a lot, and as I'm going home, I'm about to draft my vision and boom, I'm going. No stop. Thank you.
My name is NSDA, and I've been privileged to attend the training program organized by Global Life Changes, and it's actually very impactful and a life-changing experience. And I want to encourage each and everyone to actually try to attend some of their programs, and they will never regret. It will change their lives for the better and then for the future for them. Thank you very much.
My name is Abdullah Saratu. I attended the Foundation for Global Life Changes program at Tamale Baga Training College. It was such an educative program and an inspirational program. When you attend, you will learn a lot in your professional work and your business life. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Dorina Bem and I teach at Vitin Senior High School. I just attended a seminar organized by Foundation for Global Life Changes, and it was a very resourceful one. It was impactful, and then I actually recommend them for any organization or any service, right? I'm really happy. I'm happy I took part in this and I'm very glad. Thank you, Global Life.
My name is Daniel Natoma. Yes. The training was very good. We really enjoyed it. And he could speak very loud. We all hear whatever he says. Yes, for he's very good. He's very good. That's what I can say.
A teacher of business senior high school in the Tamale Metropolitan Assembly. I attended a workshop today organized by Global Life Changes, and it's such an impactful one. I hope and pray that more workshops will be organized for teachers to build our capacity as far as teaching and learning is concerned. Thank you, Global Life Changes, for such an opportunity. organized by Global Life Changes, and it was very impactful. We learned how to use our time and manage it very well, and it was impactful. Thank you.
Your name?
I'm Georgina.
I attended a workshop today organized by Global Life Changes. The workshop is second to nothing. What will I say? It was so impactful. I learned a lot. I wish I actually had the opportunity to attend this workshop earlier than this my age. I would have made good use of it, but it's still not late. I learned a lot. Thank you. A teacher from St. Joan of Arc Senior High School in Tamale, in the Sagnarigu district. I attended a workshop organized by Global Life Changes. It's been so impactful, so interesting, and it's a life changer for me. A lot of things I have learned will go a long way to impact my life and that's of my own children and the children that my learners as well. I've been attending workshops, but this is one of the best. And if all workshops will be this way, teachers will be ready to pay and attend these workshops. Unlike others, Global Life Changes the best.
Amata and Longia, Regional Chairman, Northern Region. Today, 9th April, I had the privilege to attend a workshop that was organized by Foundation Global Life Changes. And it's a very good interactive program. Honestly, it's good to add value to his professional career or life. What I have experienced during the program is something that I am actually very happy, and it has actually changed my life. It actually tells me that I need to add value to myself. I need to do a lot. I should always have a vision where I am going, what I want to do, and I need to plan myself. As far as time is concerned, time is very precious, that you don't need to waste time. Life is time, and today's program has actually taught me a lot as to how to manage my time. Whatever I am doing, I must plan and then know where I am going, so that at the end of the day I will be able to achieve. There was a scenario given where after this program that has changed a lot of the lives of some teachers, and actually I've seen something, or I've picked something from it, and that is how to make good use of my time after my official work, so that I can generate extra or more income to supplement whatever salary I earn as a teacher, to make my life comfortable and my family. Okay. Thank you very much.
My name is Michelle. I just attended a workshop organized by Foundation for Global Life Changes. And to be frank, I think I enjoyed it. It was interesting, and a whole lot of things that were said there, I could relate it to real life experiences. And at my work site, I see a lot of them. And some of the examples that were cited, there are things I actually use on some of my students. And I learned a lot so far. I would say it's the best.
My name is Valeria Kumpolo, sister for Sagnarigu North. I've participated in the workshop Global Life Changes. In fact, this is a superb workshop. This is money worth of its spending. If you spend 75 cents to come and attend this workshop, you will never regret. See, I've just bought the book. The book that the author has written about time management. Very necessary. Time. It's today that I've got to know that time is actually currency. 24 hours given to everybody. But people, some are richer, some are poor. Some do best, some do poor. What happens? It's the time, the way you manage your time. Procrastinations. Come and listen to what the author has for us, and you'll be changed for life. In fact, the workshop is worth attending. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Global Life Changers.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Global Life.
Thank you, and God bless you.